Severe weather outlook for the state of Georgia, Thursday, 4/23/2020. Hello, I'm Randy Shaw with All Hands On. We have some information to share with you about severe weather for tomorrow, Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. The information is really threefold. First, the possibility of strong straight-lined winds. Second, the possibility of tornadoes. And third, the possibility for hail. This information comes to us from the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center. We'll go over each of these cases. First is straight-line winds. Second is the possibility for tornadoes. But there's two classifications. The first is a tornado watch and the second is a warning. For a watch, it's important that you keep the news on, watch the skies, pay attention to your weather apps to see if a tornado touches down. The second is a warning, which means a tornado is imminent and you need to seek shelter in a safe place or a secure, strong room in your home. The third possibility for tomorrow is hail. These will last all day Thursday. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video to help inform others.